Yo, what's going on, guys? You're watching Boss Your Money with Anthony. This is going to be a short video on how you can handle a job loss situation. I know that a lot of people might have lost their jobs, especially in these market conditions, and I decided to make this video to try and help you guys if you are in such a situation, or if you were to face such a situation in the future, God forbid, then I hope that this video will help you get through a tough situation like that. If you're new to the channel or if you haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, because all I do on this channel is to provide you guys with personal finance tips and tricks and how you can better your finances. So please go ahead and subscribe, and also please don't forget to bang on the like button. Let's get straight to the video. So the first tip that I'm going to give you in such a situation is do not panic. I know that it can be daunting, it can be overwhelming, it can be very, very upsetting, but do not panic, because once you start panicking, it becomes very difficult to actually get over the problem. It becomes very difficult to actually find a solution. So as difficult as it might sound and as difficult it might be, please try your best to maintain a level head, calm yourself down before you actually start moving on to the next steps after you've lost your job. The second tip that I'm going to give you is to actually not jump straight into your job hunt. Take a day or a week or a month off, depending on your situation, before you actually get started. I know that you haven't lost your job because you have done something wrong, most probably. So I do know that you were giving your 100% to the company that you were working with, and it has been a very, very tough task. I know you've been working very, very hard. Give yourself a treat, take a couple of days off, and then you can start looking out for new opportunities. The third tip that I'm going to give you is to actually start looking out for new opportunities. Don't slack off. It is not as hard as you think. There are lots of people who are looking to hire you with your specific skills and your specific knowledge and know-how. So don't think that there are no jobs out there. There are jobs, people are hiring. Don't listen to people who tell you otherwise. The only thing is, depending on your field and depending on the demand for that profession, it might take a little bit longer. It might be a little bit harder, but do not fret. I'm confident that you will be able to find a job that you will be suitable for. The fourth tip I'm going to give you is do not fall into the trap of eat, sleep, apply for new jobs, and then repeat the cycle over and over again. You will find yourself having a lot more time now that you're at home, now that you don't have a job. Make sure to utilize this extra time to the fullest. Make sure you work on your hobbies. Make sure you do a little bit of exercise. Clear your mind, clear your thoughts. Make sure you go out and enjoy a little bit. Don't spend a lot of money since you don't have a job. But please make sure that you are kept occupied at all times so that your mind is fresh to actually go ahead and grab any opportunities that might come up for you. The fifth tip that I'm going to give you when you've lost your job is to actually go ahead and socialize. Go to events, network with people, talk to your friends and family about the kind of opportunity that you are looking for. And there is no better way to find a new opportunity than to actually network and find the right people to connect you to the right people. And finally, please don't lose this amazing opportunity you have with all of the extra time that you have in your hand right now. Take this opportunity to start something for yourself. Create an opportunity for yourself. I've started this YouTube channel that earns me passive income. Why should it stop you from doing the same? Take matters into your own hands. If you are interested in starting your own YouTube channel, I'll leave a link with everything that I use to produce this video for you. It doesn't cost a lot at all. It doesn't have to cost anything at all, but I highly recommend that you do check it out. It's not going to be easy to start a YouTube channel from scratch, but since you're at home, there is no better time to start it because you have nothing to lose. If YouTube is not your thing, I have multiple videos on my channel telling you how to create different streams of income for yourself, so that if you do face a similar situation in the future, you will be having multiple streams of passive income that is not going to affect your financial life by losing your daily job. I hope you found this video useful. If you have, don't forget to bang the like button, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn the notification bell on as well. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.